Master survival with the skywod Survival Gear Professional Kit. Life's biggest challenges don't warn you before they strike. Storms, accidents, or getting lost. These scenarios test your readiness. With skywod Survival Gear, Professional Kit, and 70L Camping Backpack, you'll have the tools you need to stay safe and confident in any emergency or outdoor adventure. Packed with 38 essential tools and accessories, this kit includes a versatile axe, folding shovel, compass, emergency tent, and more. It also features a high-quality, fully stocked first aid kit. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a survival situation, it's got everything to keep you protected. The 70L waterproof camping backpack is designed to carry all your emergency essentials effortlessly. It includes pockets for electronics, making it versatile for both adventure and everyday needs. Durable, lightweight, and multifunctional, it's your trusty partner for any wilderness journey. Built for preppers, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts, this survival gear set also makes the perfect gift for loved ones. Tested for durability and functionality, it's designed to ensure maximum safety and peace of mind in critical moments, because protecting what matters is priceless. Your future is too precious to leave to chance. Equip yourself with skywod Survival Kit and Backpack to face any emergency head-on. Click now to secure your gear and stay ready for whatever life throws your way. Your safety starts here. Explore more. Scan QR code to order on Amazon.com.